Okay, here we are at, I forget the name of this, but it will be in the slideshow. But this is some crossing. I forget the name of this street, but this is a street named, I don't know, but it's off of a bridge here. Making sure no cars are coming, which there's not. And we'll just jump into the first signal right here. Okay, so here we are at our first signal. It has a WRRS base, safe train gate mechanism, Western Colon Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights. Is there any Rico gate lights? Yep. Rico gate lights. I don't know if they're incandescent or LED. And then right there is a WRS mechanical bell. And yes, we're over here by the Augusta Powder Works. And someone left a lid here. But now I gotta try to cross the street quickly and safely. I think I can just go right here. And that way it's looking toward Goodrich Street number 1. And then that way it's going toward Goodrich Street number 2, which I just did. It's over there. Alright, we got this half signal right here. Has a safe train base. Two safe train 12 by 24 inch lights, and just a crossbuck. Oh, and I forgot to do the dot tag. I'll do it over here on this signal. I always forget the dot tag. Ooh, okay. In this signal, we have a Western Colon Hayes base, an old dot tag, and then the new dot tag, which is, the dot number is 633863P, and the milepost is AK462.01, and it's owned by CSX, of course. That's what it is. Okay, Eve Street. This crossing is named Eve Street. Off this bridge, this is Eve Street crossing. Sorry, guys. Siemens gate mechanism. He's finding stuff. WC Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights. I believe these also have Rico gate lights like that signal. Yeah, it should. Yeah, that's how that has Rico gate lights. And then general signals type, I don't know what type it is, but it's General Signals electronic bell. So there you go. That is their crossing, Eve Street in Augusta, Georgia.